So welcome back. So now I'll be discussing the format painter command. So sometime it is required that you need to format a particular text and then you have to apply that formatting at various places. So there is a wonderful option. Let us say this formatting is to be applied at different location in the document. So if you just scroll this document, let us say at this particular formatting is required over here. So what we can do, we can select this formatting by going to the format painter. If you see, this format has been now copied and a paintbrush will be appear with the cursor. So you just select this and this same formatting will be applied to here. So there is an option, you can double click this and then you can apply at the multiple location, but sometimes it does not work. So the shortcut key for format painter is you just click in and you will find that it is Control plus Shift plus C. So once you select this, now you can apply this. Just press Control Shift V. So wherever you want to apply, you just press Control Shift and V. So likewise you can apply this formatting at various places. Okay, so Control plus Shift plus V. So this is for applying formatting and for copying formatting. Let us say this is another formatting which I want to copy. Let us say here I want underline. You just press Control Shift C. Now this formatting has been copied and wherever you want to apply, let us say I want to apply over here, Control Shift V. So this is how the formatting can be applied once and at various locations. Thank you.